This OBD dongle called the Commander will make your Tesla smarter and packed with dozens of unique automations. It goes straight into the A pillar of all available Tesla Model 3s and Ys. Here's a small glimpse of what it can do. For folks who do not have FSD in their Tesla, the Commander provides you with the second best thing, continuous autopilot. It is a feature that automatically re-engages the Autosteer after you do a lane change. You can even set a time delay after which it reactivates. Since newer Tesla models are built without the right stalk, gear shifting is done through the main screen. But with the Commander, I can set the right scroll wheel button to do the job for me. By flicking it upward, the car shifts into drive. If I flick it down, it shifts into reverse, and when I press it, it shifts into park. Another great feature is the ability to remotely preheat my Tesla's battery while I'm relaxing at home. All I have to do is set a temperature marker in the Sexy app, enable cabin preconditioning in the Tesla app, and set the cabin temperature to match that marker. I can also choose a target battery temperature, giving me full control over how much to preheat the battery, so I'm not using more energy than necessary. If you have a premium Model 3 or Y, your Tesla already comes with ambient lighting. With the Commander, you can make it even smarter by assigning custom lighting animations to various alerts and notifications, such as blind spot detection, speed limit warnings, or a pulsing effect when a door is left open. But that's not all. Since the Commander draws data from the battery management system, the BMS, you can monitor dozens of vehicle stats, including battery temperature and degradation, total discharge, brake temperature on each wheel, your actual remaining capacity including the buffer, and much more. These are just a few of the many features the Commander can unlock in your Tesla. Installation takes only a few minutes. If you need help, you'll find a step-by-step guide linked in the description. Once it's installed, open the Sexy app, go to the Commander tab and tap Connect a new Commander. The pairing process only takes a few moments, and after that you're ready to start exploring. If this sounds like the perfect upgrade for your Tesla, head over to nhauto.com to learn more.